Hello everyone and welcome to our project presentation. We are going to present our project which is FSZ Game Shop, an online platform where customers can select their games, add them to their cart and proceed to checkout. Additionally, we have an admin panel where admins can view purchase records and manage orders. So first and foremost, let me introduce our group members. So my name is Tun Firas Arfan. And then we have Supramaniam, we have Zul Afiq and Zul Majdi. Okay, so our goal for this project is to create a fully functional e-commerce website tailored to video games. So as for the next part, I will hand over to Zul Afiq.
Okay, thank you, Cik Firas. Hello everyone. So my part is I'm going to show you guys the homepage for our FSZ game shop. So this is the homepage of our game shop. So there's a welcome text there. Welcome to FSZ shop. And then we also have home button that will navigate to home, product button that will navigate to all the products that are contained in our shop, the cart but okay, right, the cart button which will show what item that the customer choose, and then login button for customer to log in, and then register button for customer and also admin to register their ID. Right. The next one that I will going to show is the product page. Right. At the product page, we already listed several amount of games. So we listed it here. We have the name, the price, and also the images to tell people what game is it. And then we have another button which is add to cart. After user login into our game shop, if they're interested in our game, they can add to cart. Uh, it doesn't matter how many they want. After they add to cart, they can check out and pay, and then they will get the game. Right. Okay. Try to add one item. Right. So this is an example of if someone um add a game to their card. Okay. So the next presenter will be present about the back-end structure, of course, including the database. So I will pass it to Zul Majdi. Thank you.
Alright. Hello everyone. So I will present about the backend. So you can see right now this is our database like GameShop DB for our database. For example, if you want to see the table for the SQL or the data inside the table, so you can choose, for example, I will choose the games tables. Okay, so the query for the SQL is gonna be downside, so I will choose the create table DBO and name the games. And then for the inside the table, I will choose the game ID, category ID, name, price, and image URL for display the image to the customer what their game choose, and also the stock quantity. So for example, if I want to show the data inside the games tables. Okay, please show the data inside the games tables. All right. Here are the several of the amount of the games you can see right now. I will choose like 11. I think 11 games inside the data tables. For example, like Cyberpunk, Elden Ring, Call of Duty, and so on. And the table will show the game ID, category ID, name, price, and image URL, and also the stock quantity. Stock quantity is for the games quantity. For example, like the Call of Duty have a 15 pieces of in their shop. So for example, like customer want to add the uh, three product items, so it's gonna be deduct over 15 the stock quantity. And then we go to the next part is user tables. The user SQL is over here that we have the create table, user ID, username, password, email, and the role. And for the primary key, I will choose the user ID, and then for the email and username is gonna be unique because it's not the same as people name. For example, my name is Zul, and then I have the teammate like named the Zul, but we can't same exactly username in the same table, so it's gonna be unique. Only one person have the one username only. So I will show you the data inside the user tables. Okay, show me please. So here example like Zulmajidi is for the admins, Firas is admin, Asupra is customer, and Zul is customer, and he and test is for the testing. So here the database for ours, and then the next part I will pass to the Supra for the next part.
Thank you so much, Dee. And hello, sir. My name is Subrahmanian Alakisagar, and I'll be presenting the user registration and authentication, followed by testing and error handling. So let's start with the login and registration process. Okay. So first, let's look at the login functionality. Our system supports two types of users, which is admin and the customer. Admin will manage products, orders, and users. Customers who browse, add items to the cart, and make purchases. Now, okay. So both customers and admin can register by providing essential details. Let's go through this registration process. So user must input their name, username, email, and password. So if any of these validation fails, user receive a clear error message, guiding them to correct the input before they proceeding. Okay, so once they register, they can log into the page by entering their username and password. When valid credential are entered, the system authenticates the user and redirect them to the respective dashboard. If the invalid credential entered is incorrect, the system displays an error message. Okay, so as a part of quality assurance, we conduct several test cases to ensure smooth functionality. Let's look at a few ones. So adding items to the cart, we can go to the products to see which items we want to purchase and select any of them to enter to the cart. So after we enter the product into the cart, we can redirect to the purchasing confirmation by clicking the proceed to checkout. So lastly, after checkout successful, we can log out. Okay, before we proceed, we try another user to perform this same method. Okay. So here now another user has entered the page to purchase their product. We proceed with the same instructions. Okay, done. So now we go to the admin panel. Admin have to log in by entering the username and the password. Okay, so after the admin is after logging in, the admin is redirected to the dashboard. Here they can manage products, users, and the orders. So they can able to delete the orders and track their order statuses. This ensures smooth operation and a seamless experience for the customers. So I pass it to the next person. Thank you.
All right. So that basically sums up our project. So in conclusion, our product consists of 3 main layers. The front end, with it being built using ASP.NET for dynamic page generation. And for the backend, and as for the language, we are using C# to handle the business logic, such as adding items to the cart and processing orders. And as for the database stores product information, user details, and purchase records. We used a local database with tables of games, orders, and users. So that is all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.